Hey everyone, I am getting on here because something funny happened. Did you know there's this rumor going around that AI is going to replace realtors or even real estate agents? Let's think about that for a moment. How many people do you know that have bought a house without seeing it? Well, I actually happen to know a lot because I'm in a military community. So even though they haven't seen it until maybe after the purchase, they've still seen it by going online and looking at it and things like that. So, what can AI do? Well, AI is great right now helping real estate agents do listings and getting some of their processes in order, and even helping with the transaction, getting those processes in order. However, is AI ever going to open the door? No. But I know what people are going to say. People are going to say, yes, there is going to be technology. Well, there already is technology. If you want to give out a code to a random person, there is already that technology there. But how many sellers want you to give out a code to a random person? Because that's what AI would do. If you want to say AI is going to replace a real estate agent, they're going to give a code to a door that still has to be put on by a person. Wait a minute. Okay. So somehow that lock still has to be put on by a person. Okay. So there's that. All right. But AI, oh my gosh, they are going to allow people into your house to go check it out so you can see it. That is great. And then you're going to decide you want one, and AI is going to be like, hey, here's your contract. Oh, wait. Somebody still has to input that information that goes in the contract. I mean, AI can't create it itself, so don't I have to tell it what to say? But that's great. Okay. So I am telling, I am going to tell AI what to put in that contract, and then it is going to magically do its stuff and do the contract. But nobody has signed it or reviewed it or negotiated the contract. Okay, got it. So I'm going to put into AI and say, hey, negotiate this contract for me. Well, with who? And wait, I'm still putting it all in. So wouldn't it be easier if I just pick up a phone on my seller's behalf and negotiate, or even on my buyer's behalf and negotiate? Huh. Okay, but you're right. AI is going to replace real estate agents. I get it completely. Because that title company is going to send the closing disclosure to who? Exactly. Oh, wait. And who's going to do the repairs? Because, when AI does negotiate for you and you get some repairs ordered and you need your foundation fixed and you need your HVAC done and you need a general contractor to test something, and you need your septic inspected and you need a home, who's coordinating that again? So, hmm. So I get it. Yeah, AI, it is great. It has helped me a lot in our business, in doing processes and helping my clients and organizing my files. It has been amazing. Will AI ever replace me? No. You want to know why? Because unlike a computer, I love my clients. I love working for them. I love getting them the best deal. And so does everyone else associated with Always Here Properties. So, the best thing about AI is your agent with us knows how to use it to your best advantage. So, AI is going to be here. It is here to stay. It will get more advanced. But will it ever replace me? A real estate agent, a realtor, a broker, a human? Absolutely not. You guys make it a great day.